Welcome to our next class, students. This is exercise 3.4 and already we have done two methods of finding HCF. Now this is another method, finding HCF by long division method. Clear, children? See, you are asked to find HCF of these two numbers by long division method. Look here, children, what you have to do in this case. Take the greater number, that will be the dividend, and the other will be the divisor. Fine. Now divide this number with divisor. I have done multiplication. I multiplied 252 with 2. We got 504. That can be subtracted from 576. So I wrote it over here. Subtract and we'll get quotient as we'll get remainder 72. Now children, be very careful. Remainder of this step will become divisor, and what will be the next dividend will be this divisor. Is that clear? The previous one, divisor, will become dividend and remainder obtained in first step will become divisor. Now 72, we have to divide this number with 72. I tried it with 3, it is 216. With 4 it will be more. So let's divide it with 3. We'll get 216. Subtract. After subtraction I got 36. Now the same step, this 36 will become divisor. Now what will be the dividend? This divisor will become dividend. 36 2s are 72 and remainder is 0 in this case. Now be very careful. The last divisor will be the highest common factor. The last divisor will be the highest common factor. Next question. These are the two numbers. Your first step is to find out which one is greater. This is greater, that will be dividend, and 780 will be the divisor. Look children, I multiplied on the side. I multiplied 780 with 3. It is 2340. I tried somewhere else with 4 also, that is greater. So we are going to divide it with 3 only. It is 2340. I wrote over here. Subtracted. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. This is remainder. Now in this step it will become divisor. Now what will be the dividend? This divisor will become dividend. Now 312 multiplied with 2, I got 624. 312 multiplied by 3, 3 2s are 6. This is 936, which can't come under this. So we'll take with 2 only. 624. Subtracted. After subtraction I got 156 as remainder. So this will become divisor. What will be the dividend now? Last divisor will become dividend. Now 156 multiplied with 2, we'll get the exact number. Remainder is 0. So I already told you the last divisor will be the HCF of the given numbers. Next two numbers are 1001 and 847. Let's divide it. Clear? You know that with 2 if we'll do, it will be 1600 something. So it will go with the table of 1 only. 847. 11 minus 7 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 8 is 1. Now this will become divisor. And what will be the dividend? 847. I multiplied on the side. With 6 also I tried. It is 924, which can't come under 847. Then I tried with 5. It is 770, which can come under this. So 770. Subtracted. 7 minus 0 is 7. 14 minus 7 is 7. 77. This will become divisor now. What will be the dividend? 154. And 77 multiplied by 2 is 154. Remainder is 0. So the last divisor is what? HCF. Next is question number 19. 288 and 420. Greater is 420. Let's divide it with 288. 288 multiplied by 2 will be 500 something. So it will go with the table of 1 only. 288. Subtract. You will get 132 as the remainder. That will become divisor and this will become dividend. Now 132 multiplied by 2 is 264, which can come under this. So multiply it with 2, it is 264. Then subtract it. After subtraction, I got the remainder 24. That will become divisor. And the next dividend is 132. Now 24 5s are, I tried, it is 120. With 6 also you can try, that will be more. So it will go with table of 5 only. It's 120. Subtract, you will get 12. Now the next dividend will be 24, and you know that 12 twos are 24. So this is HCF. Clear? Now question number 21 is 1377 and 891. This is greater, so we have to take this as dividend, and this is divisor. You know, if you will multiply 891 with 2, it will be 1600 something. So it will go with the table of 1 only. 7 minus 1, 6. 17 minus 9 is 8. Here 2 will left. 12 minus 8 is 4. This will become divisor. Now this will be the dividend. You know, if you multiply, I multiplied with 2, it is 972, which is greater than 891. So it will go with the table of 1 only. 486 will come over here. Clear? Remainder is 405. That will be what? Divisor. Now the next dividend will be 846. So it will go with the table of 1 only. It is 405. 16 minus 5 is 11. 6 minus 5 is 1. 8 minus 0 is 8 only. 4 minus 4 is 0. So this remainder will become divisor, and this 405 will become dividend. Now 81 multiplied by 5 is 405. So remainder is 0. And the last divisor, which is 81. That is HCF of these two numbers. Question number 23. Let's solve it. This was the greater number, so I took it as the dividend. This is the divisor. So see children, if I'll multiply this number with 2, it will be 4000 something, which can't come under this. So it will go with the table of 1. So what will come here? 2, 0, 5, 7. Let's subtract it now. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Clear? Now this will become divisor. Now what will be the dividend? 2, 0, 5, 7. Let's multiply 1, 2, 1, 0 with 2 and see what will be the number. 0, 2, 4, 2. It is 2420, which is more than this. So it will go with the table of 1 again. 1, 2, 1, 0. Let's subtract it now. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. Now this will become divisor, and here it is 1, 2, 1, 0. So see children, if I'll multiply this with 2, that will be more. So again it will go with the table of 1. 847. Let's subtract it. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. Now this will become divisor, and the dividend will be 847. I think it will go with the table of 2. 2 3s are 6. 5 2s are 10. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Subtract it. 1, 4 and 1. Next divisor is 144, and here it is 353. Clear? Now by which table it will go? It will go with the table of 2. You can multiply on the side also. 141 multiply by 2, 2, 82. So I multiplied with 2, it is 282, and with 3 it is 423. So it will go with the table of 2 only. 282. 3 minus 2 is 1. 15 minus 8 is 7. Clear? So 71. Now this 71 will become divisor, and 141. Now tell me by which table it will go? It will go with the table of 1 only. 71. Remainder is 0. 14 minus 7 is 7. Clear? Now 70 will become divisor, and 71 will be the dividend. Now 71s are 70. It is 0. Sorry. Here it is what? 1. Clear? Now this 1 will become divisor, and here it is what? 70 will be the dividend. Now 71s are 70. Clear children? So HCF of these two numbers is what? 1. Now the next is 3 numbers are given, and you are asked to find out HCF of these 3 numbers. Select any two according to your wish. I have taken these 2 numbers. and you know that the greater between these two is this number, that will be the dividend. And let's divide it with 1064. It will go with the table of 1 only. 1064. Let's subtract it now. 6 minus 4 is 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it will be 3. 342 will be the divisor and the dividend will be 1064. Let's multiply 342 with 2. 4, 8, 3, 2 is 6. If we multiply with 3, 342 with 3, it is 6, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 is 10. It will go with the table of 3, that can come under this 1026. Now subtract it. 14 minus 6 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. 38. Now 38 will become divisor and what will be the dividend? 342. Now 38 you can try with the table of 4. With 4 it is more. Then it will go with the table of... Yes, I tried with 9. It is 342 exactly divisible. 342. Clear, children? Now HCF of these two numbers is 38. And what is the number which is left? 1520. Now you have to take numbers like this. Procedure is exactly same. Clear? Now we'll do the same procedure with these two numbers. 1520. Let's divide it with 38. Now by which table it will go? So 152 I have taken. I multiplied with 4. It is 152. Completely divisible. Clear? Now take the next digit. That is what? 0. Now 38 zeros are 0. Clear? So it is completely divisible. So what is the final HCF? That's equal to 38. Now see the next sum. Don't get confused that numbers are very large numbers they have given. Clear? You have to follow the same procedure as we followed in the other questions. First you have to take any two numbers. Then find the HCF these two numbers. Then you have to take in the next set the HCF obtained and the third number you have to take and then you have to divide. That will be the final HCF. Question number 29 to 32 all are same. Write in the simplest form. Simplest form means lowest form. You have to cut the numbers. Sometimes you are not getting that by which table both the numbers can be divisible. So in that case HCF is helping you a lot. Clear? So what you have to do? Let's find out HCF of these two numbers by the procedure as we followed in other questions. Let's divide it with this. You know that it will go with the table of 1 only. 9 minus 2 is 7 and here will come 17. Then 102. Now tell me by which table it will go. So it will go with the table of 6, 102. So children, you got to know the HCF of these two number is 17. Clear? Now what you have to do? You have to divide 102 also with 17. You have to divide 119 also with 17. And what is the answer? 102 divided by 17 is 6. 119 divided by 17 is 7. So this is the final answer. So don't get confused. All these questions are for your practice. Clear? And try maximum questions how many you can do. Clear? And prepare yourself for the UT. Thank you. See you in the next video.